Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Young EJ, back again with another banger. And today we're going to be talking about the things that you need to get waves now. So, the first thing you need, of course, is to get a do-rag, preferably silk. So, you need silk. Velvet's more for fashion, but it's up to your preference. You also need, well, for coarse hair wavers, it works better. Argan oil. You need some type of oil to put in your hair. Well, for every type of texture of hair, you need to put oil in it. The types of, um, well, this is to help curl up your hair more. This wouldn't be that good for coarse hair wavers because it'll over curl your hair. This would be better. Well, it's good, but just don't put too much. What you will also need is Murray's. Murray's definitely helps. Some type of pomade, or if you get like triple butter, that would be good too. I use, well, I use this. It's a Coco and Monoi. It's a deep moisture silk souffle. I don't know where I got. My mom got it for me, but it works really well. It's a triple butter basically. I put this instead for pomade because pomade is unnatural, so triple butter would do better. And especially, I forgot about the brushes. Also, what you would need to start off with, well, this was my first brush. You start off with a good medium brush. This is, well, for me, I got a medium soft because this was when my hair was like a 1. Because, like, when your hair is like low, you want to get a soft brush. And, like, once it starts growing, you want to start using the medium brush. This is my hard brush I use, a Torino Pro. Yeah. But, alright. I think I covered everything you need to start getting waves now. So, that's the end of the video, guys. Peace.